Hey guys, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here. I want to do a video walkthrough on this Grady White 215 Freedom. Start here at the transom of the boat. You can see it has the upgraded 250 horsepower Yamaha Seadecking throughout. There's your boarding ladder. These seats here flip over. Check out the photos there. And you can get on and off the boat with the hard backing, or in the current position, like you can see, you got cushions for backrest. They also swing out to allow easy boarding on and off the boat. Flip this up, Livewell. You can also plug it, insulated, use it for cooler. Got a companion seat here. Upholstery's in good shape. Coming up at the helm, nice stainless steel tilt wheel, Bennett Brother trim tabs, and all the switches appear to be working. You got windshield wiper on this boat, water, pressurized water. There's your intake there. The boat does have the full canvas enclosure that will zip into your snaps along your bim top and enclose the area. You got a remote for the fusion stereo here. There's your full size faceplate over the port helm. You got a vacuum flush, or excuse me, a porta potty in the head, synthetic flooring, coming over, cushions up here in great shape. There is full mooring covers for the boat that cover the cockpit and the bow area. These flip open, storage down below. Anchor's got a designated storage spot. See 2, 4 cup holders up here, great handrails for holding on. You can see the snaps here. There's a canvas piece that would enclose that area if you're running at winter or something like that. Looking in the cockpit, there's a canvas piece that I mentioned to you. Great storage underneath here. Coming back across, you got rod storage under the gunnel. Got cockpit shower, battery switch, 2 batteries, and onboard battery charger. There's your plug-in. So, boat is bottom painted. It's kept in the water here. There is a trailer that would be available for purchase as well. It's not included in the deal, but if you need a trailer, we can make it happen. Guys, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Thanks for taking the time to look at this boat. It's in great shape. Let me know if you have any questions.